guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you hear a ton of doors opening and drills, that's because I'm in my house and the bathroom's getting renovated. So that's probably that, and I have a new skin. If you want me to texture it more, I think I should 20 likes and I'll do it. So, you didn't see anything. Welcome back to Volcano Survival. Now, I've done a little bit of behind the scenes work. So, don't tell Extreme Sports because this is supposed to be a hidden base. Oh, my hunger's getting low and it's night, so I'm just gonna go to bed. And so my voice was a bit too soft last time when I watched the video, so yeah, I'm trying to get a little bit louder without disturbing the workers. And okay, it's daytime. Then tap the notifications bell and like and subscribe. Again, the notifications bell needs a couple friends. I mean, he needs to ring it. You need to ring it so that I can hear it. If I were on the South Pole and you were in on the North Pole, and you just rung the notifications bell, I should be able to hear it. Or if I were at bed in the void and you were up top, I should be able to hear it. In the future on Volcano Survival, I will try to get a bell, and what I'll do with the bell is, well, I will go and like when you tap the notifications bell, I'll do a little demonstration. You want to take your Minecraft bell and you want to tap it. You want to ring a ding ding a ding dong it. You want to go ring ding ding a ding 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 a ding dong. Okay, so oh darn it. I can't sprint. Okay. So we're almost there. Ooh, a chicken egg. I'm Poultry Man, just like Grain from he's that he's a YouTuber that I watch. I got a little bit of inspiration from him. And so this has this is supposed to have nether wart. I don't know where that went. Oh, I have it. Whoops. Okay, so yeah, so if you think my voice is good, comment down below, and referring back to Viking survival, comment how to comment, because honestly I don't know. And I got an enchantment table, brewing stand, and I have some mundane potions, and I don't know how to brew anything. So, also I killed 2 pillager raids now. So we've made a couple of achievements. I forgot, I need food. I have some. I just need to get it. Okay, so some cooked chicken would be nice. Oh yes, it would. Okay. And yes, I did get diamonds, gold, and emeralds. Okay. Wait, was this the world that I found the. Oh, yes, it. Eh, maybe. I can't remember. Oh, yeah, it was. By the way, guys, I did find a village. So, um, we can go there. By the way, if you want to see a video where Extreme Sports joins Zante here, 20 likes. I'll do it. Um, I can't do it today because, oh, don't tell me there are mobs on my tail. Just don't tell me that. Sprint, go, 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 go. Okay, I think the mobs are off my tail. So yeah, I will see you guys once I actually get to the village. Okay, uh, okay, I'm back and, um, okay, so, yeah, I didn't find the village, but look what I got. Look in my inventory. Prismarine. What happened? What just happened? Wow. My my pillager banner, my staircase, everything is destroyed. Wow. Just wow. I worked so hard on this. Now it's destroyed. Now it is destroyed. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go pick up the rubble. Okay, just gotta. Okay, good. It didn't destroy that. Oh, I guess that'll work actually. I can't believe that actually happened. But wow, it was one heck of a it was one heck 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 of an explosion, I'll say. That was a big explosion. Oh darn it. I'm just so glad my house didn't break. Okay, this is annoying. This is very incredibly annoying. Where's my cobblestone? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm wearing headphones. And that sound was super loud when the Okay, problem solved. When that cow just huffed in my ear, that was really loud. It kind of hurt my ear a little bit. Okay. Just gotta repatch this explosion. Okay, this up, once I patch this up, I will get back to you. So don't. Okay, so I have just I have just patched it up. Now we can go without that extra slab. That's okay. Cow, could you please get out of here? Yes, thank you. How kind. Okay, so last time we went into the nether, I'm just gonna avoid that because I've already done a little bit of nether mining. And I have a couple pieces of quartz in my junk chest, I believe. So, yeah. Oh, my nether wart is done. I'm trying to brew a invisibility potion. It uses nether wart. I don't know if you're like supposed to put the nether wart here. I think so. I'm gonna harvest it and not touch it. Oh my gosh, that was like so close to. Oh, darn it. Okay, go, 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 go. To the water, to the water, to the water. Okay. If something attacks me, I'm dead. Okay, so. Boop. Nothing's happening. Do you guys have any idea? Do you guys know why exactly it's not doing anything? If you do, please comment it down below. Okay, I'm gonna have to use K5 and it's not working. That's like. Okay, yeah. I'm not the best at brewing stuff. I've never actually brewed a potion before in Minecraft, I don't believe. That healed 0 hunger. Really? Really? Okay. Where'd all my bread go, I wonder? And I'm not gonna eat my golden apples. Or use my ender pearl. Those are like prized possessions to me. And the sun is setting. So guys, time to go to my finished other base. Now, I'm not going to go by nether portal. It's just way too dangerous. It's only like 80 blocks away. Not that far. So, yeah, I'm trying to get the mic a little bit closer to my face just so that you can hear me. By the way, do you guys want a sneak peek of my next video? Well, we're gonna do a Hours of work for you guys, part 2. Hello! Hello! I'm doing a video! Okay, that was my mom. She's back from work. This is my fully finished. Oh my gosh, I almost ran into the cactus. No, that's not my fully finished nether brick base. And so, yeah, that's how you access the nether portal. We've got a junk chest and a crafting table, a bedroom. Now we have 3 bases. Also, there is an upstairs. And there's a shooting place where you can shoot and shoot and shoot at all the angry mobs that wanna kill you because you killed them and stuff like that. Yeah, so, and the mobs don't notice that you can just respawn. And this world has keep inventory on, so that rhymed. So, yeah. I won't lose any of my items. By the way, I do have a shield if you'll like it. So that was, oh darn it. Wow, that was close. And I am planning to make an iron door for that third base. And yeah, because that's supposed to be a bunker. That's why the trail doesn't lead like right up to my base. And yeah. So look at the beautiful, beautiful volcano. If you guys want me to go there, 20 subscribers, and yes, and 100, and I 100% will. Okay, so I'm just once I get to the top of this volcano, I will wrong thing. I will see you guys. Did this just no. So 18 minutes. Okay, I tunneled my way up to the top of the volcano. Let's get a closer look. And I totally didn't use cheats. I'm sorry, guys. But I did. I had to. It was the only way. I got stuck in the bottom layers. Look at that. And at the end, if you want me to do a season 2 where I start totally new world, I just find a mountain, blow up a hole in it, and yeah. Let's do it again, because if you want to, prepare to see what nobody else has seen. What you guys haven't seen before, I should say. Prepare to see the volcano explode once I learn how to use mods on this thing. because actually, no, I could just get a ton of glass, but that's going to be later in the season. So, you guys can see my helicopter base. How do we get around to there? Be very, very careful. That's how. Okay, we gotta do some lava parkour. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Oh, okay. See, there is my lava, my lava base, and I'm at full hunger. Not because of it, I ate, because I died in the lower levels. If you want me to show you them, just one moment. So you can see my nether portal and that, and then the bridge. And then it kind of pours down the side right there. And then the burned down forest from the first wave of the volcano eruption. Now, guys, I am gonna go back down. Yeah. Wait, oops. Jump. Oh my gosh. That my darn it. No, 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 no. Just sit here. It's okay. Stick to this side. Then we go. This is what I call the lower levels. Go, 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 go. Darn it. Okay, I'll show you guys. Okay. Okay, I don't care that it's night. I'm a determined YouTuber, even though I haven't been making videos in a while. I'm sorry. I'm a kid. I have to attend school. It's not like school is 1 hour a day. Plus, then I have after school till 5, so it's not like I can play all day. Okay, so this is what the volcano used to look like. Boom. When I first blew it up. Okay, I think that will wrap it up for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, it is Icy Gamer 200 and I am